Hi, this is Brother Barnes. In general biology lab the other day, we were doing an aquarium funk investigation. One of my students spotted what I believe is a stentor. I took a few snapshots through the ocular lens of the microscope with my phone and went home and cropped the image to enlarge it. I'm guessing this is several hundred to 1,000 times magnification, if not more. Stentor is a protist ciliate, and I was thrilled to gain enough resolution to see some of the oral cilia along the lower rim. It is trumpet shaped, and I usually think I identify this organism when it is sessile. That means fixed in place. Usually it will anchor and then pivot around and feed in the surrounding environment. It can also swim and can reproduce sexually, asexually by binary fission or by conjugation, according to Wiki. Like a planaria, it can also regenerate itself when cut in half. I will attach this video description to a video I made of a feeding stentor several years back. Keep going.